how to reset Instagram password with phone number. Hello, what's everybody, welcome to another Instagram video tutorial. This is Mary, you are watching Android Tech YouTube channel. So in this Instagram video tutorial today I will show you a method which helps you to reset the Instagram password with a phone number. So first of all, launch the Instagram app that you have installed. So right now I want to tap on switch account and you will find the login information of your Instagram account. So if you want to reset the Instagram password with the phone number, so you just need to simply tap on get help sign in, and Instagram will display you information to find first of all your Instagram account. So you can find the Instagram your account with the help of username as well as the email and also the phone number. So if you have already verified the phone number on Instagram, so you just need to simply type your phone number that you have verified. So I have write the phone number on my Instagram find session, so tap on next. So Instagram will send you a verification code via the SMS, so you just need to simply select the send an SMS via cell phone, and it displays that we have sent the message to this number, so tap on the OK, and finally you could see I have received the message from the Instagram. So I want to tap on the message and you will find I have recently received the reset Instagram password link on the message, so tap on this one. So after typing this one, so you will directly find the Instagram reset password page. So here you just need to write your new strong password and confirm password, so you will be able to reset the password. So I want to write another new and strong password. So you could see I have write the password. Now I want to tap on the blue check mark on the top of the screen. So after a few seconds you will realize I have successfully reset the Instagram password. It shows if you reminder your current password, so tap on yes save password. So you could see I have successfully reset the Instagram password with the phone number. So this is pretty simple way to reset the Instagram password with the phone number by using this method. So this is all about the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you get more videos regarding Instagram, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.